Good morning, children. Let's start with our new topic, that is Roman numeral, lesson number 15. So children, we have already done this Roman numeral in first term and you have given the test also. So we'll just revise it. Okay. So here you can see the video number 20 to 24. Okay. Already videos are there in YouTube channel. So video number 20 to 24 you can watch. Clear? So here we will just give a revision. So Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals, and the symbols are, these are the symbol for Roman numeral and the simple counting which we use in our daily basis. Okay. 1, this is a symbol of 1. 5, symbol of 5. Symbol of 10, symbol of 50, symbol of 100, symbol of 500 and symbol of 1000. Okay. So first of all we will just revise the rules related to Roman numerals. So we'll just see the rules. The rule number 1 is repetition of Roman numerals mean addition. When the symbol is repeated, okay, it means that is the addition. 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 30. The second is only the symbol or numeral 1, X, C and M can be repeated. So symbol of 1, 10, 100 and 1000 can be repeated. The numeral VLD cannot be repeated. So 5, 50 and 500 symbol cannot be repeated. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. It means maximum 3 times we can repeat the symbol. Okay, not more than 3 times. This is the second rule. A smaller numeral written to the right side of a bigger numeral is always added to the bigger numeral. So here this is the bigger one and these two symbols are written at the right side of the bigger. So these two symbols will be added here. This is 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Bigger and this is smaller. So this will be added. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Third rule is a smaller numeral written to the left side of a bigger numeral is always subtracted from the bigger numeral. So the opposite of this statement, here this is bigger and this is written at the left side. Okay, so it will be subtracted. So 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. And the remarks number 1, VLD are never subtracted and never repeated. VLD, never repeated and never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and 10. Okay, V and X means 5 and 10. X can be subtracted from L and C. Okay, and C can be subtracted from D and M. What does it mean? Just see there. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. And C can be subtracted from D and M. Only one symbol of 1, 10 and 100. They can be subtracted. Okay. And the rule number 4 is when a smaller numeral is placed between two bigger numerals, it is always subtracted from the bigger numeral immediately followed it. So here this and this, they are bigger and this one is smaller in between. Okay, so this is 10. So this one will be, this symbol will be subtracted from this symbol. Clear? So this is 10 and this is 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Clear? So here the first question is express the following Roman numeral. So they have given. So you have to write in Roman numerals. Clear? The next question is express the following Hindu-Arabic numeral. So here we will write in Hindu-Arabic. So we'll move to the notebook now. So here simple, there are 7 basic symbol. These are the numeral Hindu Arabic and their symbols. Now counting. So first of all, you just write the counting from 1 to 50. Okay. So this is the symbol of 10, repetition 20, 30. We cannot repeat it 4 times. X cannot be repeated 4 times. Okay. So 50 minus 10, 40. This is the symbol of 50 and the 60. 50 plus 10, 60, 50, 60, 70, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. We cannot repeat it 4 times. So 100 minus 10, 100 minus 10, 90, and this is the symbol of 100. Now the next one is express the following Roman numeral. So this is 44. So first of all we will divide it ones and tens. This is ones, this is tens. 4 tens mean 40. 4 ones mean 4. 40 plus 4. So this is the symbol of 40 and this is 4. Clear? 68. 6 tens. 60 plus 8 ones, 8. So symbol of 60 is 50 plus 10, 60, and this is 8. Okay. 40. We don't have symbol of 40. 50 minus 10. So 50 minus 10, 40. 98. This is tens. 9 tens, 90 plus 8. Symbol of 90. 100 minus 10, 90, and this is 8. 84. 80 plus 4. So this is 80 and this is 4. 84. Like this you will just do question number 1. Now move to the question number 2. Express the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. So simple, divide it. Okay. 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 9, 49. 50, 60, 70. This is 70. 75 plus 1. 76 plus 1, 77. Okay. This is 90 plus 4, 94. 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 2, 42. 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 5. Like this way you will complete question number 2. You can see the video. Already I have told you, and this is your homework. Already you have done, I think so. So this is question